The Rolling Stones get censored. It's Today in Rock History for January 15th. I'm Paul Chagru. On this day in 1967, the Rolling Stones, appearing on The Ed Sullivan Show, honor CBS's censors request and change the line in their classic song to "Let's Spend Some Time Together."
Let's spend the night together.
In 1965, The Who's first single, "I Can't Explain," with Jimmy Page on guitar, is released in Great Britain. On this day in 1969, George Harrison has a 5-hour meeting with the Beatles, making it clear he was prepared to quit because he was unhappy with the Let It Be film project.
Now I'm stepping out this old brown shoe.
And Ronnie Van Zant of Leonard Skinner was born on this day in 1948 in Jacksonville, Florida.
What's your name?
And that's Today in Rock History for January 15th from 88.7 WFOS, the Time Machine Radio Network.